is a characteristic of 3. Then we go to our log table and we find 4.36. And 4.36 is 0.639. So 639. And since we're raising to a power, we're going to multiply the 3 of the power by the logarithm of the number 4,360. So we say 3 times 9, that's 27, so 7 carry the 2. 3 times 3 is 9 and 2, that's 11. 3 times 6 is 18 and 1 is 19. And 3 times 3 is 9 and 1 is 10. So we will antilog now. So antilog 0.917 times 10 to the 10th. So we go to our 3-figure table again. This time we go to our antilog table. And we go to 0.91 in their primary row and column in our primary column, 0.91 in our primary column and 7 in our primary row, and find where they meet. And they actually meet at 8.26. So 8.26 times 10 to the 10 to the 10th to 3 significant figures. Example 2. I'm going to make
sir.
it. Yes, sir.
Sir, so the first 3, well, the second 3 inside the bracket, well, the one ahead of the point, that's the characteristic, right? The power.
Yes, it's a characteristic.
Okay.
Meaning that it's the power the times 10 to the 1 power when we change it to standard form. When we change this number to standard form. This number to standard form is 3.36 times 10 to the 3rd. So that 3 is the 3 inside the bracket. Okay? All right. So example 2, number 2 says given 0.0819 to the 4th. I won't use the 3rd again. So to the 4th. So again, we're going to use our number log. I'm going to write the number again, 0.0819 to the 4th. I'll place the 4 right there. Now, what is the characteristic for 0.0819?
-2.
Right, there is no negative, but we call it is negative if you put it as 8.19 times 10 to the -2, I agree. But in logs, there is no -2, so we call it bar 2. Alright, so we go to our 3-figure table and we look for 8.1.
Sir, why 2, sir?
What do you mean why 2? Because it moves 2 places to the back.
Oh.
Good. So 8.1 on the primary column and 9 on the top row, and they meet at 913. So that's 0.913. Now, notice the difference. When the characteristic was positive, they went together with the mantissa. But in this one, since the characteristic was a negative, it was bar 2, then it is separate from the mantissa. Okay? Remember that when the power is positive, it goes all together. When the power is negative, they have to be apart. Okay, so let's multiply. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 1, 4 and 1 is 5. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 4 times bar 2 is bar 8. Okay? So when I add these two, I will get bar 5.36. I'm sorry, bar 5.652. So bar 5.652, and I will antilog that, antilog 0.652 times 10 to the negative 5. So I go to my antilog table and I look for 0.65 in the primary column and 2 on the top row, and find where they meet. And they meet at 4.49. 4.49. And that is the three significant figures.